Okay, why does God care more about who we become than what we do?
Great question. Now you are thinking like someone who really wants to grow. This is where the story of 1 Samuel becomes deeply personal, because God begins shifting focus from outward actions to inner character. Let's slow down and look carefully. We see leaders like Saul who look strong on the outside but struggle on the inside. This might surprise you. God chooses David not because of size or skill, but because of his heart. Most people miss this part. Success without character slowly breaks down over time. Here is the deeper layer. God is shaping who people are becoming long before what they achieve becomes visible.
So, what does that actually mean?
1. This is where the story begins to unfold in a deeper way. Saul was chosen as king but struggled to follow God consistently. 2. Now we start to see what was really happening beneath the surface. Outward success hid inward instability. 3. This part is easy to skip, but it matters. David was prepared quietly while no one was watching. 4. Here is where growth quietly begins. Character is built in hidden moments. 5. This connects directly to real life. Who we are inside shapes what we can handle outside. 6. This is the layer that shapes character over time. God values the heart more than appearances.
Does the brain really change from small steps?
Yes. First, your brain truly changes when you repeat small choices that align with your values. Second, this is how habits slowly become automatic, forming strong neural pathways. Third, emotions grow stronger the more we rehearse them, including humility, patience, or pride. Then, neural pathways begin firing faster and more efficiently, shaping consistent behavior. Next, repeated reactions shape identity without us noticing, just like David's quiet obedience shaped his future. Finally, what feels small today becomes powerful tomorrow through reinforced brain patterns.
How does this show up in real life?
1. Think about how this shows up in school or work. People may perform well but struggle internally. 2. Notice how emotions often react before logic, especially when pride or fear takes over. 3. Watch what happens when stress repeats daily. Character is revealed under pressure. 4. Small habits quietly create bigger patterns, shaping how we respond in difficult moments. 5. Modern life makes this even more visible, because success is often measured outwardly, not inwardly.
So, small equals big?
Yes. First, small steps almost always look unimpressive at the beginning. Second, repetition is what gives them strength, especially in private choices. Third, steady practice builds quiet momentum in character development. Then, what once felt difficult becomes natural and consistent. Lastly, consistency turns small faith into strong character.
So, how do I start?
Step 1. Pause and notice what is actually happening inside you during decisions. Step 2. Allow yourself to feel emotions without letting them control your actions. Step 3. Choose one small action that reflects honesty or humility. Step 4. Reflect gently instead of criticizing yourself for mistakes. Step 5. Repeat tomorrow, because growth loves consistency.
What should we do today?
1. Choose something simple, not dramatic. 2. Start smaller than you think you need to. 3. Observe your reactions carefully. 4. Adjust without quitting. 5. Come back tomorrow and build again. Remember, God looks at the heart even when others only see actions. Small inner choices shape who we become over time. Stay close to God in quiet moments, because that is where true character grows. If this sparked curiosity, share this video with someone you care about. Learning grows stronger together.
See you in the next episode.